demo video of Group 3.
First, screen relationship and important features. Our meeting assistant contains three different interfaces, which are the host console interface, the audience view interface, and the meeting summary interface. Let's start off by looking at the host console interface. Here we can see the monitoring module, which includes the real-time feedback sent by audience, the attention level monitor, which monitors the audience attention level, and the gesture recognition part, which recognizes the host hand gestures. And on the right hand side, we can see the presentation screen, which displays the PowerPoint being used currently. And when the host tries to end the meeting, and they can press the terminate button, which ends the meeting and also automatically turns to the meeting summary part of the previously held meeting. Now let's look at the participant view interface. In the middle is the presentation slide being displayed by the host. We can choose to follow host or not by clicking this button. And we can feedback on the speaking speed of the host by clicking these buttons. And also, if we want to write text comments, we can type in the text box below and then click send, and these will be sent successfully. We can also review our feedbacks we sent in this section. When the meeting is terminated by the host, we will automatically be redirected to the meeting summary interface. At here, we can see the basic information are displayed, and there are also some function buttons on the right, which includes copy link. On the bottom, we can see there are several functions. The speech-to-text transcript part displays the speech-to-text transcript made during the meeting, and the key point summary, which displays the note taking of key points during the meeting. And we can also see the feedback messages, which are all the feedback messages sent during the meeting, and we can quickly review them.
Here comes to the second part. In this part, we will introduce the principles and guidelines we applied in our design. All these three screen pages follow the overall layout of top bar detailed functions format. And for the functional model on the page are also designed in a card format layout. Consistency of our page design is also reflected in the visual design, including icon, color, and other elements. For cater to universal usability, the software design accommodates different users' needs. There's a help option on the top bar to help green hands and provide online support. Additionally, below each functional model title, there will be a small annotation to help intermittent user recall their function. For expert user, there's also a quick action can be set. For informative feedback, for those operations without visible page changes, there will be a pop-up window for reaction. Also, the status bars continuously display real-time feedback from the devices and the system to offer error prevention, simple error handling, and permit easy reversal of action. When user perform invalid operations, the system will display a warning pop-up window. And we also design a recalling function for running that message. As for allowing users to feel in control, the core functionality of this software is designed to empower hosts with greater control during meetings by visualizing real-time data in monitoring models. Some other designs also allow users to personalize their settings. For reducing users' short-term memory load, we can see in the first version of design there are two separate pages for representing and monitoring respectively. In final version, we merge them into one page and regroup the similar function into one model, so that users don't need to jump between two different pages and can reach to some similar function in a small scale.
The navigation menu at the top left fits reading habits and aligns with feed slow for quicker clicks. Menus have unique single words, have two levels with 4 to 5 operations each, matching hex law to card selection time. Forms have clear titles, input examples, and a clear send button. Controls combine icons and text. For example, the speaking speed feedback buttons with vivid icons. These kinds of designs are all follow the design guidelines and can lower operation barriers.
Third, alternative modality of interaction. This is a speech-to-text.
As a student in Hong Kong, we are often asked questions from our relatives, old classmates, and our friends.
This is gesture recognition, which is for slide control. You say we use a P5.js and ML5 to detect the fingers movement.
This is a sample.
Some of the features we designed in our first draft. Now let's move on to the next page to see our demo. Here we can improve the date and time, and let's move back to see our features. These are our implemented features.
This is attention level tracking. When your eyes close or head down, the attention level may drop. This detects 4 people's attention level.
And I'm subtracting twice this, so I think it sits at 5 there.
That's all. Thanks for watching.